Now, here's your Pinpoint Weather 12 forecast.
All right, spectacular spring weather temperatures that were soaring into the 70s in many locations. It started to cool back a little bit, especially along the coastline, but otherwise, heading out over the next several hours, really right on through the early part of the evening and night, the weather looks fine, though we do have cooler temperatures that'll be returning. Take a peek outside, and we'll go to East Greenwich, and depending on your location, and we've been really going back and forth between periods of sunshine, periods of clouds, but otherwise dry, and it continues to be very mild. Look at these high temps today, soaring into the mid-70s, even along the South Shore. It's not a typo, westerly 77 degrees. Now Plymouth at 72, but it's really cooled off now, nearly 10 degrees, and the reason why, you can see the breeze now, it's more of an easterly wind, and that's going to be the predominant wind direction next couple of days, and that's going to tend to cool things down both tomorrow and again on Wednesday. So cooler for the next few days. Your afternoon temperatures generally in the middle to upper 50s. Some shower chances, though we don't have any big storms this week, but part of Tuesday and part of Wednesday, we should stress there are many hours of dry weather both of these days, despite the chance of a shower, then milder temperatures returning later in the week. So it's fairly quiet across New England as far as precipitation. That front that's been making national news with the outbreak of severe weather is out across the Mississippi River Valley. This warm front is the leading edge of some of the warmer air that we had today. Now on one side of the front, the wind is southwest. On the other side, it is more northeast. Our wind direction now is going to be more of an east and a northeasterly breeze. And what will happen is along this warm front, a little area of low pressure will develop and travel just to our south. So when that happens, it's going to promote that easterly breeze and give us a couple of showers late tonight after midnight, early tomorrow morning. So take this into the future, and we move ahead to tomorrow morning with clouds and a few isolated showers. First of all, during the overnight hours and then into early tomorrow morning, nothing real heavy. And then what will happen is the second half of the day, it's drier, though mostly cloudy and cool. Temperatures topping out in the middle to upper 50s, and another chance for showers tomorrow night, but not until late tomorrow night. All right, 75 today. We're more like the mid and upper 50s tomorrow afternoon. This is about 3 o'clock, partly to mostly cloudy skies. So we're dry. Second half of the day in outdoor activities, weather looks fine. It's just not as warm. So for tomorrow morning, by no means, don't look for any downpours. It's not a stormy morning, but some early morning showers, starting off mainly cloudy. The second half of the day is drier. I think any sun would be limited and partial. So we're going to go with a mostly cloudy, dry, cooler afternoon with temperatures topping out in the middle to upper 50s. Bay forecast, any reduced visibility would be early in the morning. East breeze turning east-southeast at 10 to 15 knots. All right, 7-day forecast. An early morning shower on Wednesday, but mostly dry, still cool. Thursday and Friday are a little milder. We're going to keep Saturday dry, bring back some showers, though, later Saturday night on into Sunday. Now, Sunday still nearly a week away, so do check back with us.
All right.